Now you might be wondering if you need to have any sort of experience with blogging or, some sort of internet marketing before you join Wealthy Affiliate. Now the simple and short answer to that is no. Wealthy Affiliate assumes that you know absolutely nothing. So if you sign up using the link in the description, you can sign up completely for free. There's no credit card required, and they're going to take you through all the training step by step so you know exactly what to do. Even if you've never, done any kind of business before, you've never been an entrepreneur, you're not very tech savvy. There are people who started using Wealthy Affiliate to start their online business in their 50s and 60s, even 70s. So there's really no reason why you can't do the same. So I hope that answers your question. You don't need any kind of blogging or marketing experience to get started with Wealthy Affiliate. All you need is commitment and focus and just being, willing to actually see this through. So if you want to try out Wealthy Affiliate completely for free, you can use the link in the description. Now click this video showing up on your screen, and I'm going to tell you if you need any kind of special tools or equipment to use Wealthy Affiliate. Like maybe you need a really fast phone or a good internet connection. I'll tell you all about that. Just click this video showing up on your screen.